across from the train station. You can see the train station there. You can also see it's pretty dark out. When we woke up, it was raining very, very hard. The sound insulation on the windows is so good though that Duke and I didn't even realize it. Joanne and Brian had to tell us. Our plan was to go to Pompeii this morning, and then we saw that rain and we thought, well, maybe not. We'll go to the Archaeological Museum instead. But now that it's cleared up and the forecast is for sun later, I think we're gonna pack up and not pack up, but get our stuff together and take the train to Pompeii so we can visit Pompeii this morning and maybe go to the Archaeological Museum here in Naples where they have a lot of the artifacts from Pompeii this afternoon. So we're in Pompeii, and in the next room we have some of the plaster molds from the cavities they found where people had died. See if we can get a picture here. Did you get a pic?
Yes.
Some of the cast, the most recent cast, are kept into the antiquarium. Antiquarium is
We're getting ready to leave Naples. We're going over to the train station over there the train station's right behind me over here, to pick up a rental car and drive south. Hopefully driving with all this traffic won't be too much of a hassle. I'm the navigator, so we shall see. And then tonight we're going to be at a place overlooking the Amalfi coast, so should be quite relaxing.